Hello, good evening. It's already evening, no? Wala pa. Good afternoon. Or good noon. It's the another episode of our video. The good things is drinks actually. Today is I have like fresh fruits, like this pomelo. I show you how to open it also. And I have ready actually already. But I just show you how to open. And then you get the pressed pineapple also. And then the coconut rum. And then Blue Curacao. And then the Ciroc Vodka. And then the white rum. The Zabana. Not the Havana. And then the pineapple juice. Right. This drinks actually is it's gonna be the Sarah. I don't know if he's running for the vice president, but I think she's gonna be running as a vice president, and she's gonna be the vice president if she's gonna be run. So this drink is for her, Sarah. So I'm sure she's gonna drink this drink also one day, and once she will see these drinks, I'm sure she's gonna drink it. Right. And this glass that we're using today, and the knife is safety. This is how you do it. So this is how you open up the pomelo. This is how you peel the pomelo. See? It's easy, right? Just the easy way. So it's a season now actually for the pomelo. So we have lots of pomelo and dragon fruits. And then the lanzones also. See, that's how you do it. Easy. But anyway, I have ready. So this is what I use actually. So I'll just show you how to open up. Alright. And then glass. It's about 2 ounces of the pomelo. Then the pressed pineapple. It is. It's a ring pineapple. Now we can muddle it. This is gonna be the Sarah. I'm sure she's gonna drink this because it's a fresh one. Either you can drink this non-alcoholic or with alcohol, and this all good. That's how you muddle it. See this? So here we go. About an ounce of the Zabana. And an ounce of the Ciroc Vodka. Ciroc. About just 15 ml of the Blue Curacao. And then 20 of the Coconut Rum. Then the ice. By the way, just tap this at the end. So, and shake it. And scoop of ice. This one actually is like almost like half scoop of ice because it's not, you know, there's a lot of the pulps of the pomelo and the pineapple. That's gonna be like half scoop. And this is gonna be like scoop of ice. There we go. This one you have to shake it because there's lots of pulp also this inside. See the colors change to green. That's why I call this Ciroc Oil, because it's green. Like the and the Garnish, like the pink evolution, you know, they change color to yellow to pink. Lots of funny things going on here in the Philippines right now. Crazy, huh? So put some pressed pomelo on top, and it looks like appealing now. It's good to drink, good to go. Straw, double straw. Here we go. This is your Ciroc Oil. Before we end up this video, actually, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram also, and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. Please share to your friends, your family, and this is all for us. And enjoy. This is your Ciroc Oil. I hope she will enjoy these drinks, and I'm sure she's gonna enjoy this drink also. So long.